everybody? Pro Trader Mike. Strangest things happening today. Some volatility in the stock market. Strange beast. Let me show you what's going on. The UVXY all of a sudden. Look at the spike before. Can anybody tell me what's going on with that spike? Anybody happen to know what's going on with that spike, man? Ooh. Spike. Huge. I don't know what's going on with that spike. I'll have to take a little look to see what's online. Look. Let's take a little look. We're buying UVXY right here. MOJO chat. We last sold it at 10.04. We just started buying it here. Entry at 9.82. It's 9.78, 79. Looks so good. I can't believe we did the same thing before. It was down like at 58.60. I'm like banning it from the room. We're never going to trade it again. And all of a sudden it jumped $1. I came back. I was like from down to up so much. I was like, oh my gosh, what is going on? Check this out. It happened. It was like everything at this time. Look, New York time, London time, Russia. It was a world event. Something happened. Does anybody know what happened? I don't know what happened. Something happened. It was a world event. This is the gotta be called. This is live chat. Just had to change the name. Got the live chat. So right here we had I called it right here, UVXY in the morning. I said ho ho ho. We have a green giant trade play, and at 11:15 it's gonna rock. It did. Let me show you a recap of the day. We'll do that in the MOJO room, just like if you were here with me in the MOJO room, you know what I mean? Hey guys, I have a webinar. Just head over to the MOJO Day Trading website, mojodaytrading.com, and click register above for that webinar. Oh, it's going to be some... If you've never been to my webinar before, you'll be empowered with guaranteed edutainment. That's education and entertainment. I got something going on. Oh, hold on a second. Look at this. Look who's here. Silver. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, don't go nowhere, you. He's going for his bone. Hamster. Got him here with me. Alright, let's check it out. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. The Pro Trader Boot Camp today. Damn, so we started out this morning. And dudes, today was like, there was nothing going on. So we did the rules of the room, new traders, here's the schedule, today's trading plan. And there you go, we just connected up. Did the Mojo show this morning. And then let me see how we got the day started. With Ajita. Let me see what we have here. 9:26 a.m. Oh, I just got filled on some UV over there. Great. Can't believe it. The Dow was down 120. It was up 50, down 50, up 30, down 130. Let's add this up. So add it up. It was up 30 and down 30, and then up 30 and then down 130, and now it's plus 30. So that's 60, another 90, 120, 150, 280, 280 plus 130. I'll show you how I'm doing that. Check this out. This is unbelievable what the Dow did today. I'll show you what the Dow did. Remy was crying at the door. Let me let him out. So we got that right there. So the Dow was plus 30, then it went minus 30. So that went 30 points and 30 points, that's 60. And then it went plus 30 and minus 30 again for another 60. So now we're negative 30, and then we went plus, let's say 20 to a negative 120. So that was another 8, down 30 to make up to 20. Here's another here. So we went 30, down 30. That's 30-point move. That's a 60-point move. Then to even, then to here is 120. Then another 100. That's a 200-point move by this point. And then this is a 120-point move down. Now a 120-point move to 0 is 120, and now we're up 25. That's a 145-point move right there. We've moved like 350 to 400 points on the Dow today. Look at this. So the Dow is right here at 930. It's 1050. So it opened up right here on that bar at 21,400 and went 440 from 400, and so that's 40 points. That's 40 points, and then it dropped here from 21,430 to 21,390, all the way back up to 24,330. Right back. It's unbelievable. I've never seen anything like. I've seen things like this, but not like so crazy. UVXY jumped $1.50. We were in it right here, saying it's doing nothing. We're lower than it even is here, and all of a sudden I did a walk away, and I said we're going to walk away for 10 minutes and come back. And I'm talking to my missus about they found a bomb from North Korea, a piece of the missile in Alaska. And I'm like, what if they did like a maneuver into the sea and they launched it from the sea? And she's telling me all this stuff. We got the shield. I said, yeah, but what if they do it from the closer? You know, they do a diversion. They what we expect them to do, they're gonna fake us with, and then they're gonna all of a sudden the other thing is it, and they're gonna the Trojan boom, and they're gonna send it in, and oh my gosh, dude! And the Dow's up every single day, and everything Trump does, they hate. And we're up every single day in the Dow Jones. We were down 100. It comes right back up to down. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this ever in 30 years of trading. Neither has anybody else in 100 years of trading. It's unquestionably record craziness, beast market. It's unbelievable. So I lost on 300 shares of Arena this morning, and I folded and made nothing on that. So we started out down like $100, but then we made it back with UV with Arena again through 27. See it? 27, and Arena UV right there through 10. And then I called the green giant on UV right here, was moving. See it? 989, 990. Called the ho at 11:15. 5-minute bar cause in the first 15 minutes right there on the green giant. See that? And I called the Gonzo right there at 985. Went right through the Gonzo to 989. Awesome trade play. And then we rebought it back at 982. And that's it. We traded TXMD. Finally hit a winner right here at 530. So everybody with me buy a couple thousand shares of TXMD at 530. It's starting to move. 546. It has 2750 on Arena. 550. Moving through TXMD is a real money maker. Started to sell some right there at 552. Then we hit UV added at 983. I got this for my webinar. See that? Subscribe right there, guys. Just click right here below. See that? Just put your mouse right down there where that heart is, down here. Click subscribe. You see that? Was it Yellen that spoke or something? Because the Dow was down 11. I was doing Dow Tracker, and that's tomorrow. I folded on this OHGI. See this guy, trader U? And we spoke about this after. He's he's been with me for like 3 years. He liked this idea. Trader already paid 1.2 million, but it already had made a big move up there, OHGI, so I folded. And that's what team works for. Folded up huge. See, he wanted to buy it up here. He just would have been totally destroyed and still in it destroyed. So that's a great one right there. Saves one of my traders some headache. And then the little stocks are flying lately. Yeah, but we really don't like the little stocks. So $55 on PayPal coming through, PYPL. Let's see, went 55.20 on that one. That Heinz right there. See, the high was never 55, but it went through. Heinz 55. Rather do that, you know, than anything else. So right here, I ban UV. We're banning it. I think I got to ban it again from the room. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put it on. Every time I add it to the ban list, even though I'm not down in it right now, I'm putting it on. Before I was down in it and I had it on the ban list. I got to put in a couple different combinations because these guys like to put in UV crazy in the room. Unbelievable. Got MOJO University tonight, guys. Looking forward to that. Man, I love that car. That's my screensaver. That Bugatti. So, back to the thing. So I was just reading this. Look, trade, I don't know if this was for UVXY, but look, we'll trade it again when the market stars go down every day. Need a market crash for me to recover. I think something happened right there. I think you recovered. I came back, the stock was 1030. I was like, no way. We were like yelling. Oh my gosh, we were yelling. And it's yelling. I didn't do that on purpose. No, baby pop. Woohoo, strange. Yellen's some kind of lunatic woman in the government running the show. Crazy. My women in the room do amazing. Trade Amara, she's good. Get off the demo mode, start paying attention to the journaling, be humble, not rushing. Everybody in the beginning has FOMO, fear of missing out. You're not missing anything. You're not. Congratulations, Pro Trader Alpha. Rockstar. Just took the final exam for MOJO U. Graduated with the Cappy. Mr. Bill. Pro Trader Alpha. There he is. Congratulations, big dog. Then we got MBRX. Boom. Look at that. MBRX. Are you getting... we were fishing, but we were the shark. We were the shark. Nice. Very nice. Went to lunch in the Cheeron. That was nice today too. So we nailed MBRX. Finally hit a good trade. See, finally, man. Finally hit went boom. See? MBRX, see it? That's the one I just showed you a couple minutes ago. See, there it goes. 150, 146, 151, 162. It goes higher. 164, boom. 175, it goes higher. 178, MOJO hit a big one. Sweet! With MBRX, which is now back at what we bought it at, 155. That goes to show you, you have to take profits when the stock is there. It's back at 155, right where we bought it. See that? Isn't that crazy? Amazing, right? And then we got this sucker right here. This is the Canada Goose. Can you believe this stock? GOOS. Canada Goose? Went to 1922 off that top. What's so funny that Canada Goose? What kind of stock is that? And then you look at UV. Holy moly, majoli. Oh, I still have options. Oh my gosh, I had the options. Up. Now I'm down in them. But before I must have been up in them huge. Wow. Yeah, I had UV. My target is 11. It didn't hit 11. It hit 1057. Darn. I owned it at 945. Darn. No, I owned it at 981. I'm down in it now. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. That's hysterical. My stop loss is 945. I had the weekly calls. I must have been up humongous. Now I'm down 250 beans. Alright, no big deal. I forgot about those in that other stupid account because it's that stock hoot crap. Didn't have it in the reel. The reel, I took it. Came back, we were screaming. Fake, I forgot about it. That's the stock hoot account. Love the UVXY right now. Now it's banned. Love the MOJO. Need to ban it more often. Patience. Congrats. Unbelievable skyrocket. Straight up sold 1044. Wow. Can you believe that? We rebought it back 1027. Sold at 35. Rebought it back 15, 12, and 5. And sold it back up here 1012, 1012. Amazing, isn't that? Amazing. I said it was going to happen too at 11:15. Look, that was the green giant. There's 11:15. Boom. Amazing. I'll put this in the archives right here. Archives. So just an incredible move on the Dow, man. There's, what is that? That's MBRX. Let me get that other one real quick, if you don't mind. We played Twitter too. Here's the ho 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 and the green giant. I called it right there. I just have to put this in the archive as part 2 for the other. So next time it happens, dude, I'm all over it. Just like I was that time. Just confirming the Mojo strategy and some of the things I teach in my in the Mojos. And that's it. So let's jump to the present, and there we go. And that's the Mojo. Crazy swings, man. Market's sporadic, erratic. I can't believe it's down. We're up 18 points now. It's incredible. This is a screaming buy. Look at the range on this thing today. From 950 to 1050, back down to 950. Basically, yeah. Isn't that amazing? Novin V-band spike on the 5-minute, Gerardo, but it's only got 35K. But look at the V-band spike I caught before any trade ideas scanner, any e-signal scanner, before any scanner. We can pick it up. We can make it go on the other scanners right now if we wanted to. You know that? Look at that, dude. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Isn't that unbelievable? Psh, isn't that a beauty? Isn't that a beauty? Let's see the 387. He wants 5,000 down there. 385 wants 5,000 too, dude. Here it comes, homie pop. Can you believe it? I caught this V-band break in the afternoon on the Mojo show before anybody in the world picks it up. And when they pick it up, the other rooms, and it's flying through Magee's. Oh my gosh. Novin Pharmaceuticals, this used to be. NOVN. Forget about it. Too bad it's not trading 350,000, you know what I mean? Jeez. Too bad. 350,000. What we need on that sucker. Little Novin. Used to be Novin Pharmaceuticals. Little farmy. Partner Communications right here. PNTR. No, that's PTNR. Magna Gas. MNGA right there. MNGA. I know all the symbols. IPCI is my swing pick. And Telepharmaceuticals right here. IPCI. See it? I got this as a swing. Check it out. Look. Ugh, my computer. I moved everything into my back drive. Here we go. IPCI was a trade play on a couple times. Here's the last time, right? It was up here at 395. Little Heinz action. That was that one. Take a look. That was back on a 12-2 right here. See it? 394 to make a little Paparino back up in the machino. That was that one. Then I did it again. Here was a look on 12-9. Yeah, same thing. See? We were looking for that thing to make a move back up. PCI. Here's a level 2 shot on it at 358 right here. It's the eyeball on it. See, Mojo catches these babies good. Knew I had IPCI at one time. NVCR. NovoCure. I don't know it because it's 20 bucks. VSTM. Nailed the pants off of it 2 weeks ago. One of the biggest trades live on YouTube. I think I did that one too. If you look back on the daily right here, on the daily chart. See? Stock the other day when I called it out went from 240 to 380. Sure did. Some good trading, man. Can't believe that UV spiked up on us like that. So happy. Come back and like down 300 to like up 600. Just like that. Just like that. But you just got to keep it green for the day. And then we have Real Walk. This is a robotics company. Look, Rewalk Robotics, 150, 155. Then we have CPRX, Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. $3.02. MOJO. Traded that one many times in the swing. Take a look at that one in the swing, little MOJO. See when the last time we traded it, what it looks like on the fundos. On August 28th, right here at 76 cents. Had beautiful couple of quarters with a low float. 76 cents. That was my MOJO on August 26th at 76 cents. Here's August. It was last year. They went to $4 from 76 cents. 400% winner from, you don't look at the chart. August of 2016, this was my pick. This is called a saucer. It's a elongated cup and handle with a beautiful cherry pie insider buy in the middle, with a beautiful 1.5 million, 39% increase, 86% increase, 65% increase. What's the next quarter going to do? Who cares? This is going to move. This is moving away right here. And what's this going to be going up? It went to $4. That's MOJO. This is the Ken Slim formula. CA is right here. CAN is right here. I covered all of them with my circles. The S is also covered. The L is covered right here on the 86. The I is covered right here. And the M is covered by the direction and the momentum on volume. That's the Ken Slim formula. And I win 95% of my picks for 5 years in a row. And that's millions of investors use that. That's by William J. O'Neill, editor of the Investor's Business Daily, who saw every winning stock in the history of time that went from 20 to 100 per share, put them through the computer and found 7 common characteristics, patterns within these companies that displayed in every winning company in the history of time. So we applied that acronym, and I've developed a proprietary knowledge base for 25 years on the small cap arena, where I combine a low float, high volume momentum with my Ken Slim formula. And I've taught that to a lot of people over the last 6 years, 5 years I've been doing this, because it works 95% of the time. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead, copy it. I use it. It's William O'Neill's, but I tweaked it with my own thing, you know? And at least I could say it's his. I'm not saying this is mine and my secret sauce, because it ain't. But everybody else who copied and have been in my class that now do that say it's their secret sauce. It's pretty gross. You discovered a low float stock from $2 to $10 with high volume? That's your formula? What are you, freaking crazy? That's what's out there now. Dude, that shit's been out there since 1953, bro. How to make money in stocks, a winning system in good and bad times. You guys didn't invent nothing. William O'Neill did. I tweaked it into my own shit. I used to get the daily graph books from O'Neill delivered on Saturday mornings, Sunday mornings. Boom, book used to be that big with 3,000 stocks in it. I used to get the 2 books, and I used to look through all 3,000 stocks, scanning with my eyeballs, cutting the pages out, putting out my top 50 on a big whiteboard and pinning them up there with tape, pulling off the top 25 and then the top 10, doing my research. I've done that for 30 years, 25 years. That's how I'm able to pick the biggest winners. Go ahead and do it for 20 years. Maybe you'll be able to also. But if you don't want to, just subscribe to MOJO Day Trading. It's easy. I send out that newsletter all the time on Sunday nights before the market even opens on Monday. Look, 3 weeks ago, I picked these stocks like CEI and ANY and DCTH before anybody else did. Look, DCTH right here. See it? I picked it right there on that green bar. See it right there? That green, the first green bar right there. That's where I said everybody buy it at 2 cents. And look what the stock did. It went to 36 cents, a 4,500% winner. This past month, in the Mojo swing. Nailed that. A lot of people in the Mojo room got that pick. A lot of people. Did you? Hope so. If you didn't, I gave that one out. Followed by this one, ANY, right here at 12 cents, went to 29 and doubled. Followed by this one, CEI, which was right here on the first green at 16, went to 31 and doubled. Followed by this one. You ain't gonna believe it. AVEO at 76 cents on the first green right there. Same pattern. Look, see it? Date 6/22. Let me show you the actual pick and newsletter again. Here it is, AVEO. Cup and handle right here. Here's the chart. Bullish formation to go above 98 into Heinz $1. 76 cents, volumes 1.5 million versus 558. Here's the float, the shares, and everything else. So here you have C and A. You have N right here. They're in the Cancer. The S is right here. The L is right here. The I is right here. And the M is in this cup and handle with the momentum to go push it over. And if you look big, it has a saucer. If you look big, right here, it has a saucer. Look. Well, watch. See? It starts here, comes down, and then goes this way. This is a cup and handle within a saucer. This is my pick that I sent out to everybody in the research I did on 6/16, Sunday evening. And I told everyone to buy it at 76 cents on 6/16. What's the date it went up right here? 6/22. Here's the next day, 6/23, 6/26, 6/28 to 3/19. It's a 300% increase. That's the pick. That's how I did it. There you go. That's Mojo. So, can you be a millionaire? Yes. Cool, just register for my webinar tomorrow. I'll show you the 3 secrets that I use, bottom line, to hit all these winners and do all this on the day trading side. I showed you this nicely on the swing trading side. Beautiful on the day trading side. Just go to my website right here, mojodaytrading.com. There's the video. Just sign up right here, register, click it. And you'll just come to the page right here, July 12th at 2 p.m. and just put all your information in. Let me know your day trading experience. Have you ever traded before? More than a year, less than a year? Money required to day trade, you have less than 5,000? It's going to be tough for you. Your back's against the wall already. Like, dude, let's go out to the casino. I want to go gambling with you, and I'm interested. Okay. We'll go play poker. I'm bringing 1,000. Oh. You have to bring money? Okay, I could bring $20. That's like what I get here. I have less than... Really? You're going to date and you have no money? Why? What are you doing? Go to see Superman. I mean Spider-Man. The new Marvel movie? Oh, dude, so good. That would be better time spent than at my webinar if you got no money. Use that and go see Spider-Man. Really funny. It's cool, man. But if you got 5 to 25, you can work. We can go play together. More than 25, you're in business. Let me know and click register. That's all. And then come back here to the website. I have You're gonna get a free copy, really, of my best-selling course, mini lesson, $99, understanding level 2. What? No. Yes.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yes.
It's unanimous. So I'll give you that. You'll also learn at the webinar how to make 1 to 5% a day. I made 13% today. What's this? Bonus number 2, my special situation report. There's never been a better reason to come to my webinar. We're going to sweeten the pot even more. In the beginning of the month, I researched a world-changing event, found a stock play in relation to this that's becoming the next biggest market winner, not since 2008, the mortgage crisis. Has there been an opportunity to create wealth? If you missed the big one, oh my God, there won't be again. Get my super special situation pick now as it hit another 52-week high of 8. Looks to go to 100? What are you, really? What? Ken Slim, 100. Yep. Another $99 value, making it $148 in gifts. If you want to make it to my webinar, that also retails for $90. Just click register, but the space is limited to 100 people. Better believe it. These are my Mojo shows, guys. Check them out. You want to see any of my past shows? Come on to the homepage of Mojo right here. Check them out. Beautiful. You want to see some cool comics? Right here. Check out the comics. Hey, the market's up 300 points the day before big election. That damn PPT and HRC. They should be locked up, I tell ya. The market's rigged. It's rigged. It's rigged. It is rigged. It is rigged. You got what? Say, you got what and made what? Dealing? Now? Dude, that Apple stock of yours went up 1% this month. You ain't gonna believe this. Pro Trader Mike hooked me up with some medical marijuana, and the VPCO, the vaporizer, both went up over 50% last week, bro. Not the tangibles, you mean the actual stock picks? Damn, he's good. How do I hook up with that Pro Trader Mike? I wanna see that mojo. I want some of that sweet mojo. Yeah, boy. Pro Trader Mike hooked me up with the MGNA. Speaking of that, let's check it out. Dude, my picks are better than Kramer's because I actually pick them. He just says, oh, look, that stock went up 30%. Cool, dude. Bang, zoom, blah, blah, blah. I pick it, I do it, dude. Jeez Louise, MGNA. Go smoke some MGNA there, up 2%, baby. I got the first bar, green. Oh my gosh. There it is. Mark my words. There she is on the bottom, folks. Mark my words. We're gonna buy. Because the risk, reward, that are, huh? Is phenomenal. That's what we're gonna do. New swing pick. I just gave it to everybody. Mazel tov. Hallelujah. Shim sham shkabang. Knock yourself out. Put a little MG in away. Just throw it a bone. I throw it $500. That's a bone. And then when it goes up a little higher, throw it another bone. Every penny to 20, throw it a bone. Then when it goes to 30, you'll own so many shares at 15, you'll be up 100%. Everyone follow? That's how you do it. Everyone's listening to me in the room, but they don't care. DCTH is moving, guys. Look. Same pattern back up. Look at that big move. 131 million shares. No one even said anything. No one even said nothing. I'll buy 100,000. Risk reward, minimum. It's going up higher. Goes lower, sell it. That's all. Well, DCTH. Too bad that other one wasn't trading volume, you know, like that. 131 million. Can you believe that? 131 million. Could you believe Novin's not trading 131 million? Imagine if it was. Stock would be 6 already. Dude, I'm on Mixer, I'm on Picardo, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Periscope. Got a warning, bit rate's a little high. Facebook, YouNow, Okuru, Vapors, Breakers TV. What's up? Killing it. Oh, sir. How do I pay for the subscription? Right on my website. What's the swing trade? The swing trade newsletter, the Ken Slim. I just went over the whole thing, dude. You crazy? Come on, YouTube Twitchies. Dude, watch this video over. It's all on there, kills. Mike's doing the trades, man. Mike's on the trades. With the oh, yo, bud. Ask Pro Trader Mike about those awesome weed stocks. They're gnarly, dude. Dude, that's a signal that we got to do the medical marijuana stocks, bro. Let's see. I see you will join the MOJO Day Trade Room and follow Pro Trader Mike's picks. And yes, you'll find financial freedom and live the American dream. Yes! See that? That's your comic right there, dude. And I send out one of these in the newsletter every week. That's from 2016 Swing newsletter. So I send one out every week. This is when I saw the Dory movie. Where did I get this money? Was it Marlin, Mojo, or was it Nemo? Or was it eBio, AXN, or that Cali? Oh, darn it. All I know, it was one of Pro Trader Mike's picks. The bag of money. That's a good one. One more. Pro Trader Mike said, look out. Why? Oh boy, here it comes, boys. The big shock. Look, my dad's a natural at multitasking. See him trading the stock market? He could make the trade and lose at the same time. That's a good one, man. Isn't that funny? That's a good one. I did that one. See what we got. 20 cent yet? Nope. UV 980 yet? Nope. Novin $4 yet? Nope. Close. Believable, huh? No volume though. Awesome. Awesome. The swing trade, it's the newsletter. It's the newsletter. It's the swing trade newsletter. Look, you want to see the swing trade newsletter? Check it out. Here's the newsletter right here. Check it out. Go to my website and come to swing trade right here. This is it. Look. This is it. You log in to see the portfolio right here. So what it is, it's look, swing newsletter, swing picks and newsletter directly to your inbox. Small cap picks from 50 cents to $10 per share. Get new swing picks typically Sunday nights. All picks have entries, exits, and stops. I had to put typically because I didn't send it out one Sunday and these guys just freaked out. So typically, I send it out. There's a stock to do. You'll get the weekly watch list of hot stocks. So that's on my website right here. So if you come above on the web and go to watch list, this is today's watch list. Starts from the bottom. So you would hit UVXY High Scout. 24 cents. Amrin, 3. TXMD, 40. Then we hit MBRX for 25. And now DCTH. And Novin I couldn't put up because Novin's just too small. And it just went over 4. See it? The people are coming up and there's a 142 at 390 down here. It's funny. So these are the picks right here. And you have them on your mobile as well. I have interactive charting and news. on any of the picks. So if you want to change this on the website and put in what Novin is, N-O-V-N, right here, and it tells you pushes forward after acne drug, no veins. It's continuing to push forward in its acne product, and this is it. This is what the company does. And here's some charting on it right here. Then you have all these research sites where you can do great research on the MOJO site. Really excellent information, simple, real easy to use on the MOJO site. I have my courses right here, it's showing step by step exactly how the pro traders day trade for a living, how they're given the education, training, tools, and specific systems needed to succeed. It's a process the MOJO University courses will help you with each step of the way, and they're all right here. And all you have to do is just learn more by clicking any of these. This tells you all about the courses. Available 24/7 worldwide on any device. I got Alan and a couple other great traders in here, and all what it looks like. And obviously everybody should come check this out, and you click learn more and you go right to the live course and you learn all about it right here. And you can make 1 or 2 or 3 payments. It's $2,497. Or possibly come to my webinar and maybe get a special deal. Here we go on DCT, boys. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Go back to the action. Boom, baby. Look at the Gonzo at 21.20 there. 5.9 million shares. Sick. I got another one maybe here. PQ, PetroQuest, Energy. I know every stock in the market, guys. Every stock I know. I've been doing this for 30 years almost now. 30. I'm 50. I've been doing it since I'm 20. Yeah, boy. So's trading. All that. Great action. My first computer was like the Matrix. It was like an Apple with the black screen and the green writing, and it was like the Matrix going across with the stocks going brrr, brrr, in lines. I would see the patterns. That's why I'm good at numbers, because it was all numbers. It was like this level. It was like the high-low list over there. That's how the stock market used to work. It used to look exactly like this screen, actually, right here. This one. This is how the market used to look, right here. You know that? This column, it had to be a red column, just like this, and the stocks used to go by. And when the same stock would go by, like RX, like 5 times in a row, I would know and it would be going into it, and we would jump into it, and we would trade it. That's exactly how I day traded when I first started. This is exactly how it was. Exactly. It's so funny that just came like back to me like that. But that's exactly how it was off like the first Apple computer in college with my roommate, Steve, if he's watching this. What's up, Homer? Here's the Gonzo. Here we go. That's how you make a couple $1,000s, Gerardo. They're trying. So's UV trying. Give it another 2 seconds and then it's toast. My 5-minute rule's in effect. Hey, Michael Kennedy. See, he spelled his name. My name's Michael too, but I spell it A-E-L, not E-A-L. How'd you spell your name wrong? That's fishy. Isn't that fishy, Gerardo? The guy above you on YouTube that wants to join, he spelled his name wrong. Dude. How fishy is that? How fishy is that, dude? He wants to join the swing. Look, guys, I'll show you in my chat room. This guy right here, look at his name. He spelled his name wrong. M-I-C-H-E-A-L. Amazing. Oh, it's so fugazi, dude. He's such a mole. It's so fugazi. I'm blocking him right now. Watch, all his messages are going to be removed. Look, see, I just deleted all his messages. See that? Come back another time when you're freaking not a mole. Look, see, I just deleted all those messages. Done. Unbelievable, right? And he wanted to join my service. Unbelievable. Unbelievable is right. Never ceases to amaze. So yes, if you want to join, joining's easy. Just go to my site and click /special. If you could figure that out, you get a free month. I give you my level 2 video and you pay for the $99 a month. It's free for the first month. Look at the mistake in level 2 on DCT, Gerardo. 19 by 19 over 12, they fixed it. See? Isn't that unbelievable? Did you see it for a second? It's crazy, right? Level 2 arrow. Look, 2.5 million on the bid. Look, 2.5 gonzo on the bid. Do you see it? 2.5 million. Sick. Look, there he is again. 2.5 million. Sick. Isn't that awesome? Awesome. Sick. Look, they're all messed up in the level 2 again. 19, 20, 19. They're all messed up, dude. There's so much volume going in the stock, they don't even know what to do and how to do it, man. There's so much, but they kiss so much volume going in the stock, it's out of control. That's what's happening right now. It's incredible, man. Look at this last 5-minute bar. It was 7.5 million, just the last bar. We saw a lot of those things. That's pretty amazing, man. Cheers on that. Here goes UV back to 10. Market's going red. Look, all those blocks just got filled. Sick, huh? So unbelievable, man. All that volume just got filled on those bids. All those gonzos in one shot. Amazing. Look, amazing. Woohoo! Love it, boys. Sick pick. Dude, that MOJO tip on the 5-minute, on those kind of stocks, it's like 3 minutes. I gave the warning at like 3 minutes. Hope you heeded the warning, Gerardo, at 3. Hope so. Good. Because the old days, you'd be himping and hoping at this particular point. And then, an hour from now, who knows? How miserable we'd be. Oh, it's the best. It's the best. So I gotta get ready for MOJO University tonight. Got some work to do. That, cracking them fingers. Oh. Showed my son I've been through the battles in my day. He's fresh, no broken bones and nothing. Said, see that ankle on my foot? Basketball? Over a dozen times. Sprained up like a balloon. See my tooth? Barefoot water skiing. Going out on the flats, on the glass, did a tumble turn on my back, spun around on my back. When I went to put my feet back in, my knee hit me right in the face and knocked me out cold and knocked my tooth dead. It was flat out. They had to pull me out of the water, put me on the back, and I push on my chest. And I woke up, I spit out water. Because I was lying flat in the water, face down, dead. And they pulled me, because they had to come back around. It knocked me out cold in the water. It was sick, dude. Then one time I was on the boom, barefooting, and I didn't let go, and it freaking snap my neck like that, and I hurt my neck. Then I was deep water starting, backwards deep water. This separates the men from the boys. I lie backwards with the rope behind my back through one of my legs, face down in the water, and the boat pulls me up. Back foot, deep water start. Let me show you what happened. Sick. Broke my toe in a second. I'll show you this one. Go over to YouTube. So let's say back, deep water, start backwards. Right here. So this is what I did right here. See how the rope's around this foot? See it? With the foot, I let go of it when I started popping. Watch how you come out, and if the boat driver doesn't accelerate smoothly and too fast, you pop on the water. And I let go of the thing, and it went around my foot, and the handle nailed me in the toe of my foot and shattered the bone in my foot. I looked down, I had a big ball in my foot. My toe was broken. Doing this. See him put his feet out? Now hit it, boys. Go already. There you go. Hit it. See, they're not going. Go! There you go. Stand up. There it is. Oh, he fell. See, but that's what I do. I do it frontwards easy. Off the boom, it's easy. Like when you do it off a boom, right here, it's easy. I do it off the boom, it's easy. But behind the boat's much harder. Watch. See, he put his foot over it? I let go of it out there, and it snapped my foot. See that? How his foot's around it? See that? Right up. See, that's me right there. Smooth. Awesome, right? I could do that. So let me show you some tumble turns. This is how I almost broke my neck doing that. Let me show you the tumble turn. Tumble turn on the barefoot. So this is me on the tumble turn.
What's that, Scott?
See, that's me. That's on he's on his ass. Start on your ass. You just put your feet right out. Done. I can go around the whole lake on one foot. I go out though in the flats, in the real flat. You got to go out there and then tumble around. Do it already. There he is. See, just like that. Just like that. No big deal. I ain't no big deal. So I did that, and when I went back in, I was on the flat glass. And when I went to put my foot back down, my foot, I think I was drinking that day. I think I was. We were late in the afternoon. Everybody was there. It was like show-off time. So I put my foot in the water, boom, nailed me right in the face, knocked me out. Yeah, that was that one. Then I did my snowboarding accident where I broke both of my arms. I'll save that for another day. When I went to Vermont, I snowboarded. Broke both of my arms. That was a couple of years ago. But that was cool. Ain't that nice? I do wakeboarding, kneeboarding, barefooting, you name it behind the boat. I can do the one with the trick ski, the little one where you just keep on spinning and doing tricks. I do a slalom, all that stuff. All that stuff. V-net, V-band break, 228. This is more like it, better than 56. Boys. VNet V-band break. It's got only 228, but it's got potential. What time is it? 2:54 in the afternoon. See the pattern? Let's pass on the trade, but do you see the pattern? That's the pattern. The dailies that are down bottom smack are going to be the winners. These are all going to be the losers. Watch. Not arena, because they adjusted up at stocks like this. Let me show you. Where were they today? I saw many of them. Let's go for, let's see what's on the thing. Here we go. Stocks like this that are just up so much over so long. This one's for surely coming down big time. Where is it? I saw so many were so high up there, so ready to come down. It's insane how high they were. Insane. ZN this morning had a signal at 490 to buy, and underneath him was a huge bid at 475, and we passed. Look what happened. 375. They did a fake out this morning right at the open. So if you don't have any experience, look what happened. Look, they faked you out right here. See it? 510 on 1,000 shares. Someone came in and faked you out like Kramer does with no volume. And I saw it. And then right here, look at the open, 493, 498 on 5, right here at 920. And then right there was a signal to go on to 475, and look at that, 433. Then the stock went right to 360. This right here saved the entire day. We're old school. If you didn't have a coach or a mentor, this is you. Why is this you? Because you're not with Mojo. This is what separates MOJO Day Trading from all of the other services right here. What separates Mojo? My fold on this. Right there. At 475. That's the differentiator. That's the differentiator. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see everybody tonight for Mojo University. Pro Trader Mike signing off. Peace. Keep it profitable. Keep the trading profitable. And if you're not, you know where to do that with Pro Trader Mike and the Mojo team. Peace. See you later.